Welcome to another episode of What's New at Ply Online, where today we'll be talking about back pain. Yep, you heard us right. We've all been there. Often we don't have much of a choice. Maybe your living space is too small for both a coffee table and a dining table and have to sacrifice one for the other, which can get tedious over time. Majority of our modern lives are now spent over desks during study, work, and leisurely activities, and ergonomically designed tables are crucial. There's no time for back pains from a bad table. But back pain isn't the only symptom of poor table height. Arm and shoulder stress, crooked posture, rib aches, and neck pain are among the most common consequences of a bad table. So, where do you find a proper table? What do you do about the old one? That's right, and instead, let us introduce you to the Adjusto table. Adjusto is a convenient solution to the office back syndrome with adjustable leg distance and height. Adjusto tables are customizable with different tabletop options and black or white legs. Height range from coffee table to dining table, and leg distance from 1200 to 1800 millimeters. So, what are you waiting for? Make your living comfortable with Adjusto. It's just that easy. Visit our online store or give us a call to inquire about the range.